Let's go check on the chickens and the bunnies. Oh yeah. It froze for the first time last night. I have to get the heated water bottles back out. You guys doing okay? I know it's cold. We'll put straw in here tonight. Buenos dias. We have ordered you a shed to keep you warm in the winter. Good morning, little baby. No. Get back in your pen. Get back in. You know you can only come out at night, you little Oh. All right. It's like a slushy. Hopefully the hose isn't frozen. Well, that's good. Well, sort of. What's the egg situation? Oh, we got 5. Son of a bitch, little turds.